Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. In this video, I'll show you the complete sales workflow in Odoo Community from creating a quotation to receiving payment. If you're new to Odoo, this is the most important process you need to master. So this is the Odoo Community's interface, and firstly, we have to create a quotation. For that, let's open the sales module. This is the sales, and this is the quotations. I'll simply zoom the screen for you all. So these are the pre-created quotations. You can see the statuses. The very first step is to create a quotation. So click on new, and this is the quotation creation form of the community version of Odoo. First, you'll have to select a customer. I'm selecting the customer here. And then make sure you have something in the order lines. Until and unless there is nothing, you can't, create an invoice. So here I'm going to add the product, which is a caustic block screen. Obviously, it has variants, so you have to choose among the variants. And this red color indicates that it doesn't have an available stock. So if you can edit it from here. So I'll simply try to change the variant and see whether, the stock is there. That's the reason why it shows this color. Okay. So that is said, the quantity is said, the unit, the price, everything is given. So firstly, you have to start by creating a quotation. Okay, so you have to select a customer, add the product, define the quantity, and then Odoo will calculate the total automatically, as you can see here. So once done, you can save the quotation. So I have saved it. Next is to confirm the sale order or confirm it to a sale order. So simply click on confirm. Okay. Once the customer approves, what you have to do is click the confirm, and right now it's a sale order. Now your quotation becomes a sale order and Odoo automatically triggers the delivery process, as you can see here. The third step is the delivery process. So Odoo creates a delivery order automatically. As you can see, this is the delivery smart button. Click on that. So this opens the delivery order. Okay. So from here, you can actually check the availability of the product. Okay. And you can enter the delivered quantity over here. So here the quantity, I'm making it equal as the demand quantity. And then you can validate it. So validating it will make it we'll put it into the done state. So once it's done, you can go back to the sale order. Like click the validate and confirm the shipment. That's what we've done right now. And now you can see the next step is to create the invoice. So the create invoice button has become active right now. So from the delivery, you have to go back to the sale order and simply click on create invoice. So next step is to generate the invoice directly from the sale order. So I'm clicking on the invoice, and these are the invoice types that we have. Regular invoice, down payment with percentage and fixed amount. So I'm creating a regular one. Click on create draft. Okay, so this is the invoice. So Odoo automatically pulls all the details, like you don't have to re-enter anything, as you can see. And once it's finalized, you can confirm the invoice to the posted state. So it's done. Okay, so next step is to do the payment. That is the register payment section. So you can see pay over here. Click on that. Okay, so if you click on this create payment, like you can do the payment section. So that's the final stage. You can choose the payment method over here, manual or demo. Let it be manual. The journal can be chosen. And once done, the invoice status will change. Okay. So I'm creating the payment over here, and you can see it has changed to paid state. Okay. So next step, like everything is done, almost everything is done. And the next step is to verify the complete flow. So you can go back to the sale order. Okay. So you can see the delivery is done. The invoice is created. And this is the sale order. Okay. And that's it. Like your full sales cycle from quotation to payment is now complete inside Odoo. So this is how businesses manage the entire sales process in Odoo Community. And the products and all that we use in the flow is the products that we create here under the products menu. So if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.